So here we are at Aruvani Grade in Bangalore. We're here for an electric day. I'm sure you've heard of Ather, the scooter company. It makes electric scooters. We're here to have some fun. We're also here to try and pit the scooter against petrol motorcycles. So we had bikes of different categories here today.
It's a very twisty, fun circuit.
It's short, quick bursts of power, a lot of nice corners, very enjoyable.
It's going to be a fun day, and we'll see how the scooter fares against these motorcycles.
Ather is effortless. That is something which matters most to me, especially when you're riding in city.
It's preppy little beast. It's quite a ton of fun to ride around the track. Very planted, surprisingly.
The scooter is super fun, especially because it's electric and it's an Ather. Coming out of corners is super fun.
Coming from a very horsepower kind of bike, when I first took the Ather out, it was mind-boggling. The power is just too good. The handling and the ergonomics are very good.
Once you get used to electric, it's so effortless. You don't like the IC engines anymore. For everyday commute, I love electric. I'm sure there'll be great big bikes also coming in electric segment, but as of now, since we have only scooters in electric around, with Ather there's a scooter 450 only available. I love it.
The challenges are quite tough. They aren't easy by any standard, and to see the Ather come right in the middle of the pack was an interesting and surprising twist. I thought it would be absolute bottom, but it's not. It really keeps up there with all the mid-level category of motorcycles, and that's an interesting experience.
There's no loss of power, it's instant. So makes it super fun coming out of corners. And it's agile also.
I'm used to like an adventure bike, so it's more upright position, and I really didn't expect a small bike would be like that peppy and quick.
It was tough as well as fun. and the difference I found with my bike and the Ather was not very big.
We did the 3 drills today, so sort of a comparison, fun thing. We did the first one was a 100-meter sort of dash, running it one by one, the Ather as well as all the other motorcycles that were here. And then followed that with the obstacle course, which had pretty serious slaloms, barricades, a bit of dirt, and there were some interesting results versus what you could have predicted before you knew what was going to happen. And then the relay, of course, was 4 people in a team running between a Ninja 250 and against the Ather. And again, you got a full lap for 4 of the team members. And again, interesting results would have come out. It's been a fun day, so hopefully, we'll do more of this.